Hello everyone, very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to the class. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of IBS. With me, Gaurav Singh Bhadoria, your reasoning educator. So this is going to be the third mock test for your upcoming IBPS and SBIPU examination for reasoning ability section. So the very first question, based on alphabet test, read each and every word, sentence carefully in order to solve this accurately. Please join the session fast and let me know who are there in the class. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon. Audio is fine. Sorry. The very first question based on alphabet test. A word is given to you that is household. Position interchange हो रही है. Check this out. Audio is fine. Hmm. Some rearrangements are required to be done. For example, the position of how many alphabets? So the word given to you is household. HOUSE. What you are required to do? Position of how many alphabets will remain unchanged? Unchanged means yesterday, not yesterday. In the previous class also we have seen unchanged means same. That is not changing. If each alphabet of the word is arranged alphabetical order from left to right. If I arrange all the letters alphabetical order from left to right, A, B, C, D, E. This will be E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L. M and acha D was also there na? Yes, I missed D. E F D. Sorry, extremely sorry. First D will come. D E F G H. Two times H. Right. I J K L L M N O P Q R S T U. All right. So the word is household. I have arranged all the letters in alphabetical order from left to right. This is left. This is right. Right. Then how many letters are there whose place is same? Same. I need to find. So this is O, 1, then H, E, everything is changed. Answer will be 1. So there is only one alphabet after the rearrangement whose place is still the same as that was before the arrangement, right? Moving forward, second question. 30 questions total we are going to solve. Question, the word given to you is hospital, position of how many? Read it very carefully. There is a chance that I might have changed something. So this might not be exactly the same question as that of before. You need to read it very carefully. Position of how many will remain changed or unchanged? Now, now I have made this as changed. How many alphabets position have changed? If I arrange all the letters of this word from right to left, the direction of rearrangement is also changed. Word is hospital. Word is hospital. Right. This is my right, left. Right say left, alphabetical order. So first of all, it will be A, then B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This will be H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T. H is changed, O change. Everything is changed. Position of how many letters will remain changed? That means all. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8. Answer will be 8. That means position of each and every alphabet has changed. This is exactly what the question was asking. And the direction of rearrangement this time was right to left. Right to left, right? I hope you must have read the conditions properly. Next, third question. Pair finding, another important segment, another important part, type of question from alphabet test, that is finding the number of pairs. So even if you were new to this concept, this topic, I think this is the third one. So already we have conducted 2 mock tests and in those we have discussed few questions of this pair finding. Word given to you is understood. 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 The word given to you is understood. How many pairs? Both in forward and in backward directions, right? So I can see 4 5 of you are there in this session. Give it a try. Give it a try. Now this is your third class. You should be answering, right? You should be answering. At least give it a try. It will be right, it will be wrong. That is a different case. Let us check the pairs in the forward direction. Forward direction is this. U. After U. V, W, X, Y, Z, N. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. D, E. One pair is D, E. D, E. After E. F, G, H, I नहीं है. R से S. S to T. And R to T. After T, U, V, W नहीं है. In forward we have 4. Right? Let us now check in the reverse direction starting from D. From D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, O, P, Q, R, O to R, R, S, T, U, V, W, T, U, V, W, S, T, U, V, W, E, F, G, D, nahi, nahi, nahi. 1 in reverse direction and 1, 2, 3, 4 in forward direction. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Total 5 pairs will be there in the word understood. Pairs, those are having exactly the same number of letters as they have in this word, as they have in the English alphabetical series. So the answer will be 5. There are total 5 pairs. Next question number 4. Same question, different word. Word given to you is singing. Give it a try. Word given to you is singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Same question, different word, both in forward and in backward direction. Give it a try. Those of you who are in this session, give it a try. Wherever possible, do share the link of this class as well. Hmm. Shall we see? Both in forward, backward. Starting from S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, G, H, I, N नहीं है, reverse में. G, H, I, one pair. I, J, K, L नहीं, N, O, P, Q, O, N से, O, P, Q, R, S, yes. Going from N to S. G, H, I, again one pair. G, I, N, S, G, I. Now, there is a confusion that might come ki sir, GI, GI, 2 times GI, GI. Should we count this twice or once? So the answer is you have to consider it twice. Even if this is coming twice, it is same, still we will count it twice, right? So GI, NS and GI, total number of pairs 3. 3 number of pairs in this particular question. Next, check this out. Same question, different word. Scientific. 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 Give it a try. The word is scientific. Again, the question, the nature of question is same. Finding the number of pairs both in forward and in backward direction. Starting from S. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, C. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, I. J, K, L, M, N, O. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, O, P, Q, T, U, V, I, J, K, F, 9, 9. So in forward, there is not a single pair. No problem. Let us check in reverse. After C, it is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y, N, O, P, E. एक भी नहीं है. नहीं है तो नहीं. So we do not have a single pair. So the answer will be none. There is no such pair. No problem. Next question. Alphanumeric series. A particular, a defined series is given that is comprising of alphabets, numbers and symbol. A typical series, alphanumeric, alphabet, numbers and symbol. Read very. Now again, the same process first. This is a series given to me. So from here, if I will start or count, this is my right hand. and from this side, this will be my left hand. Whenever you are counting, right, say fifth from left, fourth, fifth, and so on. Give it a try. What is the element which is 6 to the right of the element which is second to the right of L? Which is second to the right of L? Okay. So, how do we generally proceed with this question? How do we solve this question? What is the element? What is the element that is 6 to the right of the element which is second to the right of L? Always start from the reverse direction. First, you need to find which is the element second to the right of L. Second to the right of L. Where is L? This is L. Now, as taking base L, L's second right or third right will be on the right side, left will be on this side. Element second right of L. Element second right of L is 2. Digit 2. With respect to 2, I need to find which element is 6 to the right of the element which is second right of L. That means now the meaning of this one, the meaning of this is digit 2 because element second right of L is 2 basically. Can I write it like this? So now I need to find which is the element which is sixth right of 2. Sixth right of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Letter C. This will be your answer. So certain connected condition might be given to you ki find which is the element second to the right of L, second to the right of the element which is 4 to the right of L. It can go on like this. So always here you need to start from the reverse direction. First you pick this and then you start connecting in the reverse direction, right? Next. Same series. So if one proper alphanumeric series is coming, so definitely you will be getting 4 to 5 questions in all your preliminary examination of banking as well as insurance sector as well. Check this out. What is the element which is 6 to the right of element which is second left of L? Again, first I will find this. First you need to find element which is the element second left of L. Element second left of L is at the rate. So meaning of this is at the rate. It is saying or it is discussing of at the rate. Now with respect to at the rate, what is the element which is sixth right of at the rate? Sixth right of at the rate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Digit 1. I hope this is clear. Which is the element sixth right of element is second left of L. Second left of L. In the previous one, it was saying second right of L. Here it is saying second left of L. That is the only difference. Nothing else. Right? Moving forward. Check this out. Now, if you are making notes, note it carefully. Here we are going to see some different aspect or different language that where the examiner might confuse you. You might get confused in the examination if you will not read and understand the question properly. Give it a try. Take 20 seconds maximum. What is the element which is 6 to the right of number? Number which is second right left of L. अब देखिए, whenever I say element, element means that it can be alphabet, it can be number, or it can be symbol also. So when I am saying element or when you are counting element, you have to count everything because it can be alphabet, it can be number, or it can be symbol. But when the examiner, in the question specifically it is mentioned, find the number, find the alphabet, find the symbol. So then you need to focus only on that variable. For example, in this case, number which is second left of L, number, this is L. As with keeping L as base, If you will go in this direction, this is your right side. Going here, this will be your left side. Number which is second left of L. Towards left hand side of L, 3 is the first number. Then this is my second number. So basically, value of this is 9. I hope this is clear. Because if this would have been element second left of L, so element second left of L at the rate would have been my answer. But this time it is saying number second left of L. So towards left hand side of L, second number, first number is 3, second number is 9. With respect to this, I need to tell element. I will count anything, everything. Element which is sixth right. So with respect to this, element sixth right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F will be the answer. F will be the answer. I hope this is clear. So, while solving these questions, you need to read it very carefully. If it is saying element, count everything. But if it is saying specifically number, alphabet or symbol, you need to focus only on that variable or that element. Okay. This is the answer 9. Not 9, F is the answer. Na? Ha. Alright. Next. If all the symbols are dropped basically means what? Eliminated. Dropped means eliminated or simply removed. Eliminated or removed. Then you need to tell me which is the element. Element. Count everything. 8 from right hand. You need to drop. So just ignore all these symbols. Now count 8th element from right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I. This is your I. I for ice cream. I hope this is done. Clear? Very good. Read it carefully. Next. Check this out. So those who are in this session, why you are not replying? See, it's very obvious. It's very common thing to say that if you are investing your precious time in the class, so why not to invest it 100%? You are there in the class, so it's better that you answer in the comment section. You will take actively part in the class so that this learning becomes a two-way process, not just one way. What is the element which is 6 to the left of the number which is second right of L? Number second right of L. This is L. Towards right hand side of L. This is first number, digit 2. This is second number 1. With respect to this, I need to find which is the element sixth left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the rate. At the rate will be the answer. Check this out. At the rate will be the answer. Is it okay? So today I have bought in the first class, if you remember, we have seen floor and floor based questions, puzzles. In the second class or second mock, I can say we have done circular static arrangement. Mock 3, now we are doing box based arrangement, right? So I will give you 30 seconds max to read this and to solve as much as you can. Give it a try. Take 30 seconds at least. Utilize these 30 seconds to read the passage, to read it. There are total 8 boxes placed in a stack. Each box is containing watches of different brands, followed by certain conditions. So basically, you need to arrange in top to bottom arrangement. It is very much similar to your floor based arrangement. That is the reason after floor we have done floor first, and now we are doing this box based arrangement so that you find some similarity. You find some similarity in solving the questions. Check this out. Shall we see? देखो, total 8 boxes placed top to bottom. Numbering is not done ना? ठीक है. The Casio watch is kept immediate below fossil. Numbering is not done na? Total 8 boxes. Let us give the number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let us first read and understand the passage. Casio is immediate below fossil. Wherever you will place this watch Casio, it will be immediate below fossil watch. ठीक है. Rolex is not in the topmost. यहाँ पे I will not be placing the Rolex watch. 4 boxes between Tissot and Rolex is kept above Tissot. So this will be Rolex. How much? 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be Tissot. Direction is given, right? Direction is given. Rolex is above Tissot. ठीक है? Rolex is above Tissot. Rolex cannot be placed on top. So the very first possibility for Rolex is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be Tissot. Another possibility, this can be Rolex and this will be Tissot. Done. Fast track is below Casio but not at bottom. There are two between Omega and Rolex. Because I have already placed Rolex, I will use this connected information. Two between Omega and Rolex. This will be Omega. This will be Omega. ठीक है. Related to Fossil and Casio. चलो देखते हैं. Seikyo is topmost. Seikyo is kept in the topmost. सबसे ऊपर this will be Seikyo. What is the spelling? Seiko. Seiko. Now, Fossil and Casio. This has to be Fossil because I need two immediate vacant places, Fossil and Casio. Here also this will be Fossil and Casio. Okay. Now let's read. Seikyo is topmost, not adjacent to Titan. Seikyo is not adjacent to Titan, so यहाँ पे easily I can place Titan. Let's see this. Fast track is below Casio, not at bottom. Fast track is below Casio, not possible. Fast track is below Casio, but not at bottom. This will be fast track. Remaining one, this will be Titan. This is right. Seikyo, Rolex, Fossil, Casio, Omega, Fastrack, Tissot and Titan. This is your full and final arrangement. Give it a try. Just have a look at this arrangement. Is it okay? Clear to each one of you? Next set, 30 seconds. Total 3 sets we will be solving. Okay. 30 seconds for this. Box base only. Check this out. Maximum time 30 seconds. Read it carefully. There are total 10 boxes. In the previous question, it was 8. यहाँ पे 10 है. Only 4 between L and G. You can start from L and G. Or before you start, let's find some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth line, you will see a very important condition. All right. There are total 10 boxes in this arrangement. Numbering is not done, but we can give, if numbering is not done, that means it is not important. So you can give accordingly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Draw a table. Shall we see? देखो. Important and interesting condition. Only one box below G. Below G, it will be only one box. So there cannot be any other important or helpful or useful condition than this. It is important. Done, Arun. Right, very good. Can you share the arrangement from top to bottom? Those who have done, for example, Arun, can you just share the arrangement from top to bottom? Meanwhile, let me solve this, right? Related to G, connecting to G, 4 between L and G. This is G, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be L. Only two are kept above O. This is O. Above O, only two boxes. Box M is placed immediate above Y. Wherever you will be placing M, it will be immediate above Y. M is placed immediate above Y. Plenty of possibilities. R is third from bottom. Important condition. R is third from bottom. X is placed between Y and R. L is immediate below O. ये तो है ही. No box above P. Above P there is no box, so this will be P. Okay. Q is not at bottom. Q कहाँ पर? Q is not at bottom. ठीक है. M is immediate above Y. R done. R X between Y and R. X between X between Y and Y is this. So I can place Y so that M can come at this place and X was placed between Y and R. Na? This is not done. Q is not at bottom, so this will be Q. This is your arrangement. Is it right? Chalo, please you can cross check. Do not share, Arun. No problem. Just let me know. Just write correct if you have got the same arrangement. Which is the remaining one? L is there, Q is there, PXG, PXG, RYMF, RY. M is not there. Na? M is there. F is not there. This is F. This is your solution. Clear, Arun? Can you please confirm that yes, sir, this is the right one? All right. Next. Third set 21 to 25. 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you are able to solve this before that, you can let me know or you can share in the comment section your answer. Take 30 seconds. At least give it a reading. At least give it a reading. This time the numbering is given. Bottom most is numbered 1, top most is numbered 9 and so on. Let us draw the arrangement. Alright. Bottom most is numbered 1, top most is numbered 9. So this is the arrangement. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Alright. 3 boxes between C and D, 2 boxes between E and J. Let us first find any of the confirm or connected information. E is kept 2 boxes above G. E and G are kept in the even number. E above G. E above G. 3 between C and E. Uh, 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 uh. E is kept 2 boxes above G. Have you solved this, Arun? You are solving. E is kept, important condition. E is kept two boxes above G. So this will be E, then one box, then G. E is kept two boxes above G, and E and G are even numbered boxes. So 2 and 4, 4 and 6, 6 and 8. B is placed just above F. Wherever you will be placing B, just above F. A, H, E, G. A above H. At least 2 between D and F. 3 between C and D. 2 between E and J. J and C are not immediate neighbors. Alright. 3 between C and D. Okay. देखो 3, if I start from this 3 between C and D या फिर 2 between E and J. J and C are not immediate neighbors. Alright. C. 3 between C and D. First case, this can be C 1, 2, 3, E. Is it right? C can be above E, C can be below E. 3 between C and D. And 2 between E and J. This is E 1 to J. But J and C are not immediate neighbor. So if C is above E, then 1 to J will be below E. E is at even place, है ना? E and G were at even place. So if I try to place this, total 9 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E has to be at this place, right? E cannot be at 2 in this situation. E is at 6, again not possible. So this is E 1, 2, this will be J. E leaving 1, this is G. E leaving 1, 2, 3, this will be C. This is your first case. Is it okay? Your second case will be this is E, 1, 2, 3, this is C, and 1, 2, J. This will be J. This is your another case. All right. Let us solve this. Let us go through this first. Okay. So 3 between C and E is done. 2 between E and J is done. J and C. Now this is wrong. अच्छा, J and C are not immediate neighbor. ठीक है. E and G even पे हो गया. B and F देखते हैं. AH is equal to EG. All right. Hmm. ठीक है. Same number of boxes. Number of boxes between A and H is equal to AH is equal to EG. Okay. Now in this case, between E and G, one box. So one between A and H. A is above H and A is not adjacent to G. So between A and H, one box. This can be A and H. This can be A and H. This can be A and H. Plenty of possibilities. And I hope we are not missing anything. 3 between C and D, 2 between E and J. J and C not immediate neighbor. E is kept two boxes above G. E and G even number boxes. B is placed. हाँ, B और F भी तो बचता है, ठीक है. तो between A and H, 1. E and G, 1. A and H, right? If you place A and H on these two places, A and H, these two will be occupied. Then B and F you won't be able to place. So related to A and H, I cannot place here. This cannot be A and H. This cannot be A and H. This can be A and H. Okay. Let us see one more case. Related to A and H, this can be A leaving one H. This can be A leaving one H. So that I can place B and F. So that I can place B and F. Remaining is D. Remaining is D. Simple. Related to D. At least means minimum. Minimum means that quantity has to be there. Minimum two boxes should be there between D and F. This is D, this is F. Only one. This is wrong. This is D, this is F. Two boxes. This is right. So this is your right arrangement. This will be your correct arrangement, right? So our first possibility will be going right. Let us check the second possibility. ये वाली ना. This is also possible. Putting E at even and J of course at even. So J has to be at 8, then 1, 2, this is E, then 1, 2, 3, C. Only one possibility, right? Let us solve this as well. Okay. What was the next condition that we have placed? B. Again, number of boxes between this is E, then leaving one, this is G. J, E and G. Wrong. Ruk. Wait. This is not. I thought even pay E and J were there. No. I am using this condition. E has to be at even. E has to be at even. E cannot be at 2. E cannot be at. E can be at 4. No, E cannot be at 4 also. E has to be at 6. This has to be E. So that 1, 2, 3. This will be C. Okay. Then leaving E. E leaving 1. This is G. Both had even E. 1, 2. This will be J. Now it is okay. Now again same condition. Between E and G. 1. So between A and H. 1. And A is not adjacent to G. A is not adjacent to G. Cross A. Cross A. So A and H gone. This obviously cannot be A. This obviously cannot be A and H. Only one place for A. This is A. For A, there will be only one condition. This is A, this is H. Simple. Now this is wrong. B and F, you won't be able to place. So now that is going wrong, right? Now that is going wrong. इसलिए the second possibility will be going wrong. I hope it is okay. Solution is clear. Question is clear. Everything is clear. All right then. Let us solve few questions of syllogism. Okay. Done. Any doubt? Are you still there in the session, Arun? All right. 5 questions. 5 more questions. D, C, B, F, A, E, H, G, and J. Perfect. Very good. 5 more questions from syllogism. One of the favorite topic of examiner and students as well. No wallet is shoe. No wallet is shoe. Some shoe is helmet. Only a few helmet is key. All right. Now that you are, yes, only second. All key being helmet. All key being helmet is a possibility. Yes, it is a possibility. Some helmet are not wallet. Some helmet. This is also right. I think you have made some mistake, Arun. In only a few, this is not a vice versa situation. If I say only a few A is B, that does not mean ki only B is A. B can come completely inside A, right? Restriction was on helmet. Helmet pe there was a restriction that only some helmet will be key. But all key can come inside helmet, right? Okay. Vice versa is not true. You cannot say ki some key is not helmet. Yeah, only a few. No, key can go, right? If you draw this is your helmet and I can draw complete key inside helmet and still only some helmet is key. The part that is overlapping, only that helmet is key. The remaining part of helmet, that is not key. So it is justified na. Only a few means what? Some will go, some will not go. Overall answer of this question both follows, right? Both conclusion will follow. Second. So which exam you are targeting specifically, Arun? If you can share any specific exam or all the banking and insurance exam you are focusing, targeting. Only a few glue. Again, only a few. Glue to ruler. All ruler is clock. Some clock is not desk. Yes. Answer for this. First is some clock is definitely not glue. Some clock. This is clock. No. Some clock is definitely not glue. No. There is no restriction on ruler in going inside glue. There is no restriction on clock in going inside glue. So both clock and ruler can go inside glue. So I cannot say that some clock is definitely not glue. This is definitely false. All desk are ruler. All desk are ruler. Can be, cannot be. It is doubtful. In possibility, this would have been gone right. But as of now, doubtful. Overall, the answer will be none follows. Are you getting? Yes. That is right, Arun. That is absolutely right. Next. Third last question. All bank exam perfect, Arun. Good. Very good. Next. Every pen drive, I am writing PD, okay? Pen drive, short. Every PD is CD. Some CD is memory card. No memory card is USB. What is the answer? Some USB is pen drive, doubtful. No pen drive is USB, doubtful. So what is the answer? What is the answer, Arun? You can make mistake, isliye I am asking you again and again. What will be the answer? Is it none? None follows? Nahi. It will be yes. Either or. All the conditions of either or are fulfilled. Same element, USB pen drive, USB pen drive. Complementary pair, some and no. Individually doubtful, right? This will be either or pair. Very good. So I think Arun, you must have prepared before also, right? You are answering the questions right. You know what is either or case. That means you have previously, I think, here and there you have prepared. So you are not a fresher. You know? So if you have prepared, so what exactly went wrong in your previous examination? You must have given the examinations also, or you are stuck in mains. If you want to share, then please share. Next. Some eraser are not pencil. This is eraser. Some eraser are not pencil. Only a few pencil are cutter. No cutter is sharpener. Some eraser are sharpener. Doubtful. No sharpener. Again, this will be either or. Na? Same element, eraser, sharpener, some and no. Everything is there. Stuck in mains. No problem. Definitely, we are going to help you out in all your stages. Last question for the class, for the session. Some chargers are remote. Some laptop are remote. No printer is charger. No printer or charger. All laptop being printer is a possibility, asking of possibility, right? Only a few remote or charger. Nahi, all remote can also go, na? This is definitely false. Answer will be only one. अच्छा IDY jam exam you have cleared. No problem. Me, matlab myself and my complete team definitely will be with you, are with you, and definitely we are going to help you out. Once the prelims is over, so we are going to conduct on YT related classes related to your mains also. So you will definitely will be getting benefit from those classes. Right. So yes, this was our last question, and just want to thank you all for joining this, for watching this video. And let's meet again tomorrow in our next class. That will be mock 4 for reasoning. And thank you all once again. Keep preparing with us. Take care and good luck.